What's up everybody, Zach here with another Home Depot Seeds program review, and today we are going over the Ideal Tuff-Grip Pro fish tape. This one is extra long, 240 feet. It's made out of blue steel, I believe. I never really bought one because I always thought I didn't need one, so I always ended up using a hanger or something, stupid like that. So I decided when this one came up on the program to get it, and now I'll probably never need it again. But it's pretty simple. You have your normal case. Let me take this off. And your handle. And if you want to just play it out like that, you can. I normally just fish it through. It's eighth of an inch. It's 1/8 inch steel. This one is it's flat. And then when you want to flip this over to retract it, there you go. It's got your standard end on it, or at least all the ones that I've seen. I'm not an electrician, I don't use these that often, but the ones that I have used have been pretty much like this. It looks like if you wanted to, you could take it apart. There's 4 square-headed bolts or screws that go through. Yeah, it's threaded. You can see them on the other side if something happened. I don't know why you would ever want to take it apart, but you could. It tells you if you want to rewind it, which way to go. It says backwards, but it's opposite, so I don't know. It says rewind and has the arrow going that way. Maybe because they're telling you about this, not the handle. So hold the handle straight and rewind right there. There's not much else to go over. It's all plastic, the handle and the body itself. It's got some decent weight to it. If you need a fish tape, this one seems to be okay, and I would recommend it.